See, right now I am commenting live on this Facebook post. I'll enter this comment and post it. And look at this, within just a few seconds, I automatically receive a relevant reply to my comment. Now I'll add one another complete different comment, and again you will see I receive a different reply based on exactly what I have written. See, I am not writing or posting any of these replies manually. OpenAI is understanding every new comment and generating a relevant response automatically, while Pabbly Connect is handling this complete automation in the background. Now think about your own Facebook page. If you are receiving multiple comments every day, manually checking and reply to every single one can take a lot of your time. And when a potential customer asks a question and does not get a quick response, you may even miss an opportunity to convert that engagement into a customer. So that's exactly why I created this automation using Pabbly Connect. Once this workflow is active, it can automatically capture new Facebook comments, send them to OpenAI to generate a relevant response, and post the reply back, all without you doing the same repetitive work manually. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create this amazing automation workflow using Pabbly Connect. See, Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation platform that's help you to automate and integrate all of your favorite applications without coding. And the best part is that you don't need to purchase anything immediately. You can also create this type of AI-powered automation by using Pabbly Connect free trial. And after trying it, if you find tool helpful and decide to purchase a plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this workflow. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you have to click on this plus create workflow button. So there are three ways to create a workflow by using Pabbly Connect. The one is create from scratch, second one is create using AI, and the third one is create using Quick Builder. All of these are best, but in this tutorial I am going to create a workflow from the scratch step by myself. So I am selecting that option. After that, here you need to enter the name of the workflow that I'll enter as automatically reply to Facebook comments using AI. Next, I am selecting the folder as Pabbly Connect and clicking on this create button. See, our workflow is created successfully. Now this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happened. This is the first application you need to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I receive a new comment through my Facebook post, then automatically this automation gets triggered. So for that, I am selecting the trigger application as Facebook pages. After that, the app event I am selecting as new post. Next, I am clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. I am going to add a new connection, so I am selecting this option and clicking on this connect with Facebook pages. Here my Facebook account is already logged in inside my system, so I am clicking on this continue button. And this is how easily you can create a connection between your Facebook account and Pabbly Connect. Next, here in this field, you need to select the Facebook page where you always upload the post. So I am selecting the Facebook page as digital dynamics. See, this is my Facebook page, and here I regularly post new updates. See, now after selecting the Facebook page, you will see response format with three options such as simple, advanced, and raw. If you want to receive a response in simple format, then you will select this option. If you want to receive a response in advanced format, just like a flattened key value, structure, data, or an array, then you will select this option. And when you select the response format as raw, then you will receive the exact JSON that you will receive from the webhook. Here I am selecting the response format as simple and clicking on the save and send test request button. And you will see I have received the positive response, and it is started waiting for the webhook response also. Now for getting the webhook response, I am going to comment on any post available on this digital dynamics page. So let's say I'll comment on this post as this is great step towards clean transportation. How does this hydrogen powered train compare with electric trains in terms of cost and efficiency? See, I have successfully successfully commented on this Facebook post. Now let's go back to our workflow and check whether we have received the webhook response or not. See, automatically I received the webhook response. This means that the connection between Facebook account and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our Trigger application is completed. Moving forward, I'm going to select the next action application as OpenAI. Here I am using OpenAI to automatically generate a relevant reply based on the comment received from the Facebook. So whenever anyone comments on my Facebook post, OpenAI will understand that comment and generate a suitable reply for it. After selecting the application, the app event I am selecting as generate response using text input and clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. For adding a new connection, you have to select this option, and next it is asking you for the API token. So for getting this token, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page and click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project from here, provide the permission and click on this create secret key button. After that, copy this key from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the API key, I am clicking on this save button. And see, my OpenAI account is going to be connected with Pabbly Connect. Next, here in this field, you need to select the OpenAI model that I am selecting as GPT-4o Mini. You will find out multiple types of OpenAI models. You can select it according to your own choice. Moving forward, in this field, I am going to enter the prompt. Here I have added. See, I entered this prompt by my choice. You can customize it. Inside this prompt, I have entered the field by the name of Facebook comment. Now, in front of this field, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from this previous application, that is this Facebook pages. To do the mapping, you have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this Facebook comment field, I am doing the mapping of this comment. See, it is mapped. Now what is mapping? See, mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. Here I am doing this mapping because every time someone posts a new comment, that specific comment will automatically comes here. OpenAI will understand the comment and generate a relevant reply based on it. So every user can receive a different and relevant response according to the comment they have posted. Next, the background processing mode I am selecting as immediate returns the full response right away. You can also enter the maximum output tokens here if you want to. Next, I am clicking on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response, which means this step is working perfectly. And you can also see the OpenAI has generated an amazing and relevant reply based on the Facebook comment that we have mapped here. Now we are going to use this AI generated response to automatically reply to the same comment on Facebook. So for that, I'm going to select my next action application as Facebook comments. After selecting the application, the app event I'm selecting as reply comment on page post. After that, I'm clicking on this connect button. I have already an existing connection, so I'm selecting this option and clicking on this save button. Moving forward, again in this page field, I'm going to select the same page that I have selected on the previous application, that is digital dynamics. Now in each of these fields, that is post ID and top level comment ID, I'm going to do the mapping from this Facebook pages response. Here I have successfully mapped the post as well as the comment ID. Now here you will see this enable mapping toggle. Once you enable it, you can map the required value from the previous step instead of selecting the fixed option from the drop down. After that, in this comment field, I'm doing the mapping of this OpenAI generated comment. See, here I have mapped, and next I'm clicking on the save and send test request button. And you will see I have received the positive response. Now we'll go and check the Facebook post that we have received the reply or not. See, automatically I received the exact same reply that I have mapped in this field. So this is how easily you can automatically reply to Facebook comments using AI. As the comment has been successfully posted on Facebook, this means that our final step is also working perfectly and our workflow is fully completed. Here I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As the comment has been successfully posted on Facebook, this means that our final action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. So this is how easily you can automatically reply to Facebook comments using AI. Now whenever someone posts a new comment on your Facebook post, then automatically Pabbly Connect will capture it, send it it to OpenAI. OpenAI generate a relevant reply and post that reply back to the same Facebook comment, all automatically without you doing anything manually. As I already said, you can also try and create this type of AI-powered automation by using Pabbly Connect free trial. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing automation, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. And this is just an example. You can integrate multiple your favorite applications by using Pabbly Connect. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.